Hey there, I'm Monica, and today, I'm going to show you how MachiningCloud's quick search feature can save you time and make your life easier. So, here's how it works. Once you're logged into MachiningCloud, you'll find the quick search bar right in the middle of the screen. Just type in the part number or type of component you're looking for, and let MachiningCloud work its magic. Within seconds, you'll have access to a vast database of items at your fingertips. With quick search, you can say goodbye to flipping through endless catalogs or bouncing between multiple websites. It's all here, in one centralized platform. As you can see, quick search is a real game changer for machinists, engineers, and part designers alike. It streamlines your search process, enables better decision-making, and ultimately boosts your efficiency. So, what are you waiting for? Take your machining experience to new heights with MachiningCloud's quick search feature. Visit our website today and start to find the tooling you are looking for quickly and easily. Remember, with MachiningCloud, finding the perfect part is just a click away.